or we can use get applications documents directly, which saves in its com.appname.file in Android folder. Yeah, so making platform changes. After adding the dependencies, it's not over usually. For this type of plugins, you need to add more dependencies, platform specific dependencies. So we all know that iOS, they have this ridiculous security thing that we need to follow strictly. That's good. So we need to add these 4 lines to ask for permission, and we'll need minimum SDK version is 21 for this camera plugin. Now this is not ideal, as we all know that minimum SDK version by default is 16. But as we can as it is clear, as it is clearly mentioned in the camera plugin documentation, that this plugin is still under development. So maybe in future it can come with support of SDK versions lower than 21. But yeah, for now it is just for minimum SDK version 21. Okay, so let's get to the code. We'll have to, first of all, we'll have to get the list of cameras. We can get list camera description. We can get the list of camera description from which we'll have a list of cameras. I won't be able to share my Android Studio screen because today my hot reload and hot restart stopped working. I don't know why, but it just happened an hour ago. So otherwise, the plan was to share the whole live coding experience, but it won't be possible. Yeah. So we can get the list of camera description using this thing called await available cameras. This available cameras method is we can get that out of the box from this camera plugin. And yeah, so after doing this list of available cameras, we'll have to initialize the controller, and then if it is mounted, we'll have to set state. So what does this mean? So this means that if it takes some time to get the to initialize the camera module. So during that time, what it should display, right? So we can set that we can put this whole thing in init state, which will basically do the whole process when the when the whole stateful widget is initiated, and in the first state it will do this. So yeah, and of course don't forget to dispose the controller, of course. Getting the camera preview. So we can get the camera preview using simple. Okay, I've used here build camera preview method. So this line over here, the build camera preview. Actually, this whole code I was gonna show in live coding session, but this unexpected chain of event occurred. So yeah. So this build camera preview is a custom method that I have designed, which will be in the next slide. Yeah. So in this, we can use this kind of thing called camera preview. Camera preview is a widget, and we will have to pass in the controller that we have defined earlier. Here, this is the place where we have defined the camera controller, and that controller has been initialized over here in the init state. So we'll have to pass in the camera controller in the camera preview widget to preview the camera, and we can modify that camera preview using aspect ratio, and we'll have to do uh, we can modify that camera preview using aspect ratio, and then we'll have to transform it into our scale. Okay, this is really important, guys, because if we are not scaling our camera preview, it will capture the photo that it is previewing us, which won't be in a proper aspect ratio, and it would feel stretched. I have been here for the when I was trying this plugin for the first time. This was the case with me. I wasn't using this transform.scale, and my image was kind of squashy, so it wasn't looking that good. So this change is really important. If you are not doing this, your image will appear stretched, and also the preview will appear stretched. Yeah. Oh, also, you can do one thing. I have used clip rect over here. You can use clip r rect and give this camera preview nice curvy borders, but it will of course capture the whole thing in rectangular shape. But you can do that to improvise your view. I have done that in one of my apps. Okay, so switching between cameras. So earlier when we have asked for this camera list of available cameras, this will return us a list of camera descriptions, which will be containing three details. First is order of the camera description. That is, if there are four cameras in a phone, like from nowadays, most of the cases they have four cameras in the phone. Most of the cases, not all, but if there are four cameras in the phone, it will give us four different cameras. For each of them, they will give us the camera index, camera description, camera position, and its angle of coverage, like how much angle is covering, how much angle it is covering. So it is giving us a kind of object or camera description object in this list. So what we are doing over here, switching between camera, is we are asking controller that what description is he following. If it is cameras of 0, that is usually the rear camera, main camera. If it is the rear camera, switches to camera 1, that is usually the front camera. And the rest of the cameras will be like macro cameras and wide angle cameras, as you guys know. So you can implement these things out of the box. Sorry. Yeah. So if it will check if in which orientation the current controller is in, and then it will dispose it and then create it from scratch. Like it will change the camera description value, and then it will just swap it. Okay. Capturing an image. To capture an image, it's really easy using this camera module. It's as we can say that as easy as image picker module. You can simply get the directory using the package that we used earlier. That is path provider package, and it has these two methods: get external storage directory and get application documents directory. I have not mentioned over here those brackets, so it will give error. I will correct it later, but in code I would have corrected it. So this is a get external storage directory, which will give us the path to our gallery. Okay, this thing get external storage directory won't work on iOS because it is not possible to get access of outside of the app sandbox. So this would work only on Android. That's why I have kept here null safety operator. To if someone is using this app on iOS, this will return null. So it will await for this get applications document directory, which won't be returning null on iOS. And then that directory we can get path, and we can store that in whatever format we want, and just then controller will take picture. It's as easy as that. Okay, recording a video is a little bit tricky one. Not actually tricky one, but it is the really fun part. So what we can do is, if we first we'll have to check if controller value is initialized. Controller is initialized. If not, then return null. बाहर निकल जाओ पूरी मेथड से, ठीक है. पहले कंट्रोलर को इनिशियलाइज करके आना है. So if it is initialized, then next set state recording को true कर दो, क्योंकि अगर we can do one thing, like if we are recording something, then it will be storing that okay, we are recording, and we'll have to turn on the timer, and we'll have to change the button of the we'll have to change the capture button to that square shape, and if we want to do anything like that. So we'll have to change this recording boolean for that, so that we can get idea for other widgets. And then we are doing basically the same thing that we did for capturing image. And then it's just simple कि अगर वो record नहीं कर रहा है तो मत तो रिटर्न नल कर दो, और अगर वो कर रहा है record, अगर वो नहीं कर रहा है तो record कर दो जो यहाँ पे है controller dot start video recording, और अगर वो ऑलरेडी कर रहा है तो कुछ मत करो, ये वाली मेथड. तो या और अगर कोई एक्सेप्शन आता है तो शो कैमरा एक्सेप्शन, एंड या और लास्ट में एक फाइल पाथ रिटर्न कर रहा है ये वाला फंक्शन, इसलिए क्योंकि उस फाइल पाथ पे वो वीडियो सेव किया होगा. ओके, अगर किसी को कुछ डाउट हो तो बोलना, दैट्स फाइन. Okay, so after defining the start video recording method, we'll have to define stop video recording method, क्योंकि अब स्टार्ट किया है तो स्टॉप भी करना पड़ेगा. सो उसके लिए पहले चेक करवाना है कि अगर इज रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियो, अगर वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है तो अभी नल रिटर्न कर दो, रिकॉर्डिंग फॉल्स कर दो, और रुको और स्टॉप वीडियो रिकॉर्ड, उसको स्टॉप कर दो जो भी रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है उसको. ये सिर्फ नॉर्मल वाली मेथड है जहाँ पे हम लोग सिर्फ मेन पार्ट यही है कि हम लोग वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप करवा रहे हैं. Yeah, that's all about camera in Flutter. Actually ये प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद मेरे को ये लाइव डेमो देना था आप लोगों को, पर मेरा एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो में अभी हॉट रिलोड बहुत नहीं कर रहा है. मैं कलर चेंज कर रहा हूँ, वो बोल रहा है जीरो रिलोडेड लाइब्रेरीज. सो या पूनम, बैक टू यू. Hello.
Yes, Devansh, you need help?
Yeah, back to you.
Back to you. Okay. Oh, is it all done?
Yeah.
Acha, maybe your Android Studio maybe your Android Studio in Garba mode, so it's okay.
I can show that actually. Yeah, if you want to try, we can try it. Want to try?
It would be fun, I guess. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Anshul is a question, Devansh. Anshul is a question, Devansh. Anshul, you want to speak up about it? You can turn on the mic.
In slide 14, what was that underscore camera variable?
Wait a sec. अभी ये मेरी एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो किसके दिख रही है क्या स्क्रीन? Wait a sec. हाँ. Slide 14. ये वाला, ये अंडरस्कोर कैमरास.
हाँ वही.
हाँ वो हमने इधर पहले लिया होगा.
Okay,
ये
so
वाला list of camera descriptions.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, so let's try this one. If it works, then we can have this live demo as well.
All right.
Okay, so can you see my half Android
Yes,
screen.
we can. Hmm.
Okay, nice. So I'm just changing this. Okay, wait, let me start myself.
Guys, get ready for the magic.
Yeah, if it happens, then I'm glad.
We understand that. It's okay. Get going.
Yeah, actually, this stopped working an hour ago. An hour ago, it was working fine. Okay, now it's hour and a half, but yeah, it was working fine a few minutes, a few hours ago, couple of hours ago. Okay,
When this happens with Mina, even I try to talk to my team that why don't we make our own Android studio?
okay. So this is my phone screen. Okay, so I'm just changing this background color. Okay, I'm just changing this background color of the scaffold, and if it changes, okay, this app is running by the way. It's running. I'm just changing it to green. Let's say green. Okay. And just saving it. No, I saved it. I performed the hot reload, but it
Have you
isn't
tried to
possible.
rerun your whole application?
Yeah, I've tried. I've tried that a couple of times. Let's try that again. That's the problem that I need to stop that app and I need to I every time need to cold restart it in turn to work.
Somebody wants to be the tech support for Devansh? Please do the needful.
Even if we do, it will be little faster compared to Android, native Android.
That's true. Anybody have any suggestions? Yes. Oh, why? Okay.
Yeah, I haven't set up it. मेरे पास वो setup किया हुआ नहीं है.
All right. No problem. I think this was pretty cool. I mean, people can at least get a clear idea about how
Yeah,
to get
but
started with this, right?
I
Yes,
have I
Devansh.
have I have my GitHub repo for this
Okay.
where I
If you would
have.
like to share any content with people joined us, you can definitely drop that in the comment, or you can give it to us. We'll after the event we'll share with everyone with our Twitter handle and on
Okay,
maybe on YouTube.
we can do one thing. We can do one thing.
Hmm.
Have you tried with restarting your whole system?
Yes, I tried. Actually, Sunny suggested me before this meetup started, just before this meetup started,
Okay.
and I tried restarting the whole system, but it didn't work.
Okay.
Have you tried to clean your project?
Sorry.
Try to clean your Flutter project.
अरे वो पहले सबसे पहले वही
Oh,
सबसे पहले मैंने फ्लटर क्लीन किया कि ओके चलो मानते हैं उसने कुछ पेड़ पर होगी. And I guess I'll need to check this on my other projects as well.
you can
Yeah.
use VS Code. It will like 20 to 50 MB extension. You can just install and it will be up and running.
I know. But पूरा सेटअप बाकी और प्लस मेरे को VS कोड नहीं आता. Like I don't
I
get
will
it.
teach you.
It's okay. Catch them offline. So for the people who are getting surprised because Bharat and Devansh are college mates, so they have a different bond than we can. I mean, we can feel that now. Yes, Sunny, over to you.
Yeah, that would be great. Yeah. Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah,
Okay.
that can work.
Hey, see that. See, after code restarting, it's green. Yeah. Okay. So let's just jump to the code. Okay. So this is nothing a plain page that we were seeing over here. This is a plain page, and on clicking this button, I would be going to this page, Canada page. Um, okay. So on I can show you. Actually, it will be working somewhat. Yeah. Um, so okay, this is actually. Can you see this preview? You can see this preview, right? I'm moving
Yeah.
my phone. Okay, and now I am flipping my camera. I, I'm on this phone, on the screen, and on this screen too. Yeah. So this was actually working, and it will capture a photo as well. But I need to show you this thing. Okay, so this is my log, console log, and yeah, so I am just capturing this picture over here. So right now I have set up to I have set this up to save this photo on in my Android directory, so Android folder directory. So it will be over here somewhere. Yeah, here it is. You can see. So this is the whole code that I showed you in the presentation, and you can see that right now as well over here. Yeah. So this is basically the same stuff. I have list of camera controllers. I have an image path. I have a video path. I have is recording boolean, and I have this current task which I was gonna explain in demo. And this was the this is camera controller. Okay. Anybody knows this? What is this? Any idea about this thing? Automatic keep alive client mixin or any mixins like. Do you know mixins in Dart? Anyone? Hello. Yeah. 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 Yeah, it's exactly that, but it is to basically to keep alive the activity that we are on. In Android, we say it activity, right? So it's basically used to keep alive that activity whenever we are minimizing the app and we are moving forward. So what was the issue with this plugin? That whenever we were minimizing the app without using this, and there is one more method over here. Um, या दिस वन डिड चेंज एप लाइफ साइकिल स्टेट सो अगर ऐप की लाइफ साइकिल चेंज होती है और हमने ये वाला यूज नहीं किया होता है तो वो कैमरा प्रीव्यू जो होता है वो चिपका देगा मतलब चिपक जाएगा उसमें कुछ मूवमेंट नहीं होगी तो जहाँ पे जो लास्ट फ्रेम होगी वहीं पे चिपक जाएगा सो टू अवॉइड दैट वी आर यूजिंग दिस एंड वी ऑल्सो नीड टू इम्प्लीमेंट दिस वांट टू कीप अलाइव टू ट्रू तो वो बैकग्राउंड में चलता रहेगा. Of course, this is not advisable to save our battery, but in case we need to do this, okay. So yeah, ये उधर पे ये वाला मैंने tab इसीलिए करवाया, ठीक है. ओके, इनट कैमरा जो मैंने आपको दिखाई दी, इसमें थोड़े वेरिएबल्स के नाम चेंज हो गए, लाइक अंडरस्कोर कैमरास का मैंने कैमरास कर दिया है. एंड ये इनट कैमरा का हमने जो मेथड सबसे पहली स्लाइड में मैंने आपको बताया था कि इनट कैमरा बेसिकली क्या करता है कि जो भी हमारी इनिशियलाइजेशन की प्रोसेस है, अवेलेबल कैमरास का लिस्ट लेना, फिर कैमरा कंट्रोलर को इनिशियलाइज करना, वो सारी चीज़ इस मेथड से होगी. So then it is this build camera preview in which I have used this transform.scale and aspect ratio and camera preview widget, which will be of course consuming this controller. And then we have this start video recording, where same thing, if controller is initialized, then is not initialized, then return null, or else if this recording is true, then set recording to true, and then this whole thing print video path. ये सिर्फ debugger के लिए था, मुझे पता चला कि video path मिला इसको. So yeah, ये सारी चीजें इसी के लिए stop video recording, capture image, perform task. Okay, this is something that I haven't covered in the PPT. So what is this perform task thing doing? Actually, I have this thing in my app. Let me show you. Yeah. So it's in most of the apps you have this thing. Okay, ये video पे click करो तो video आ जाएगी. Like this slider thing, right? So if and button एक ही होगा. सारी apps में ऐसा ही होता है कि photos और videos के लिए कुछ भी select करो और button एक ही होगा. ठीक है. ये बीच में आ रहा है पता नहीं क्यों, और कोई नहीं, लेआउट का इशू. सो ये बेसिकली इसके लिए रखा हुआ था कि अगर 0 है या 1 है, 1 में फोटो और 2 में वीडियो, So इसके बीच में स्विच करने के लिए मैंने ये रखा हुआ है, ये परफॉर्म टास्क कि कौन सा टास्क परफॉर्म करना है. सो अगर 1 है तो कैप्चर इमेज, और अगर 2 है तो स्टॉप. डिपेंड करेगा कि अगर रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा है तो स्टॉप कर दो, वरना स्टार्ट कर दो. ठीक है. स्विच कैमराज जो भी आपने देखा, स्विच कर सकते हैं कैमराज को. और या बेसिकली इनिट स्टेट में मैंने सिर्फ इनिट कैमरा वाली मेथड कॉल करवाई है जो हमने सबसे पहले डिफाइन कर दी थी यहाँ पे. एंड या दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. Inside build method, I have various widgets. Mode switcher widget, which is my custom widget, which I have defined in this widgets file. I'll be putting this whole project to GitHub, so that you guys can catch it up. And image preview widget. Image preview basically ये वाला widget जो अभी मैं बनाना चाह रहा था लेकिन नहीं बना सका 1 घंटे से, ये वाला. So यहाँ पे अगर हमको image capture करते हैं तो वो इधर आ जाएगी डायरेक्टली, सो हम लोग इधर से ही एक्सेस कर सकें. इसके लिए आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सी इफ इट इज पॉसिबल इन स्मॉल टाइम. सो या फ्लिप कैमरा विजेट एंड कैप्चर बटन. ये कैप्चर बटन में ये है कि अगर रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर रहा है, अगर रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा है तो हमें स्टॉप के लिए बटन चेंज करवाना होता है. सो आई वाज यूजिंग दिस थिंग स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग बटन व्हिच इज अगेन अ कस्टम विजेट. ये सारे विजेट्स मैंने इधर ही डिफाइन करके वो रखे. These are different widgets. Yeah, so this was it.
Yes, Devansh. So Ojas has a question. Ojas, do you want to ask a question?
Okay. Devansh, what's the difference like this plugin and image plugger plugin? Like we also do same task in that also.
Yeah, but image picker you can't. This whole UI is made modularly. Like in image picker you can't do that. In image picker we'll have to adjust with their own UI.
Like I think for that we need to add this or manually like that. No?
मतलब sorry, I didn't get.
इमेज पिकर में हमें ये सब लाइक मैन्युअली ऐड करना पड़ेगा वैसा?
नहीं, इमेज पिकर में ऐड करके दिया हुआ है उन्होंने, उसमें कुछ चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते. इसमें तो मैंने ये सारी चीजें, इवन ये ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड भी चेंजेबल है. आई कुड शो यू दैट. उसमें सिर्फ ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड ही आएगा और ये बहुत मिनिमल सी ऐप की डिजाइन होगी, कैमरा की डिजाइन होगी. यू कैन ओके वेट आई कैन शो यू समथिंग. वेट अ मिनट. Okay, so this is one of my apps. I'll straightly this thing. Yeah. Wait a sec. अब ये फोन भी बोल रहा है डायरेक्टली. Yeah, so this is you can see this, right? This whole UI. Hello.
Yes, we can.
हाँ,
Yes.
so you can customize like this way. इसमें हम लोग वीडियो में भी जा सकते हैं. And in this I have also implemented the timer system. So let's hope the latest build हो. And looks this is not the latest. So इसमें एक्चुअली वीडियो में टाइमर भी रखा हुआ था इधर कि जैसे जैसे वीडियो कैप्चर होगा वैसे वैसे इधर टाइमर भी बढ़ेगा. एंड बेसिकली दिखाएगा कि कितने सेकंड्स का वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हुआ. इधर गैलरी वाला, इधर मैंने ये वाला सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है इमेज पिकर. सो इमेज पिकर सिर्फ गैलरी के लिए यूज करना चाहिए बेसिकली. और ये जो पूरा का पूरा बनाया हुआ है यूआई, ये पूरी यूआई इसी में बनाई है कैमरा प्लगइन. देखो अभी यूआई पे चिपक गई है. मैं अभी अपना फोन हिला रहा हूँ, तो अभी नहीं हिल रहा क्योंकि डीबग में. Yeah.
Got it.
So you can modify UI like this, but of course this is not recommended for high-level UI stuff like we have in Snapchat and Instagram. You can design though, but it will take a lot of time. And the best recommendation for that is to go for the native web.
Yep. There is another question from Anshul. So, Anshul, would you like to ask your questions?
Yes, thank you. What will happen if the app is minimized during a video recording? So will it continue recording or will it stop the recording?
I guess it will stop the recording because yeah, it should stop the recording. I haven't tried it yet, but let's try it if it works. Okay, so I guess it should stop recording. No, it isn't recording right now. So I don't know if I should. I guess it should stop recording.
Okay, I'll surely try it.
Yeah.
Guys are doing some live testing, right, Devansh?
हाँ मतलब और क्या करेंगे?
But that's fun, yeah. I mean, obviously, that's true. That we, since we anyways appreciate that even though being a student and along with that you're doing freelancing, so you tried a lot, but still, yeah, there will be a lot of room for more trying and trial and error. So definitely, it would be good. You guys can catch offline even and try more fun stuff. But yeah, this question was good, Anshul. Now Devan should get more curious to try a few more things.
Devansh, you just restarted your computer and all those things, but have you tried to change your device, mobile device?
मेरे पास एक ही एंड्रॉइड है भाई.
I know, but if you have any other Android device and you can check it, or if you can use Android emulator.
एमुलेटर ट्राई कर सकते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई दैट. हाँ. हाँ, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like we can, yeah, we obviously don't want to use maximum resolution for just profile image. In the app, huh, yes, yeah, yeah. उधर ही सिर्फ मतलब yeah, we can of course give them a choice कि कौन सी quality में चाहिए आपको. Yeah, that's one more thing that we can't do with image pickup model. Okay, we can't give them choice क्या चाहिए आपको. They'll have this medium quality, I guess. Image picker की medium quality preset.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Devans, I do have one question that how this plugin is handling the camera permission.
Okay, camera plugin handles the permission on its own. It will ask us on Android. It will ask us this. It will just give us pop-up that do we want to give the camera access or not, camera and mic access. And in iOS, I showed you that we need to give them permission in their infrared playlist.
Yeah, that we would specify, but when the app is running, right, at that time it
Yeah,
will ask
whenever,
about the camera permission when we
yeah.
are using or when we are moving to that particular screen.
Now, when we are moving on to that particular screen.
Okay, and another question that what if a user denies that permission, then in future it will ask again automatically.
Yeah, it will ask again.
Okay.
Yeah, but of course, if you're denying it permanently, like never ask. मतलब ऊपर से ही बंद करके रखा है सेटिंग्स में से इसको नहीं होगा सो वापस भी नहीं पूछेगा पर अगर हाँ अगर हम ऐप में से ही सिर्फ डिनाई क्लिक करते हैं अलाउ डिनाई मैसेज तो वो दूसरी बार पूछेगा
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Thanks for that.
ओके ओके anyone has question
Yes,
I
I
think
need a
Anshul.
suggestion.
Yes, go ahead, Anshul.
So I want to make a app in which like most of you would have seen the stop motion animations.
Mm-hmm.
Stop motion animations. For example, you keep an object on the table, you click a photo, then you move the object forward. Again, you take a photo.
Okay.
So when you combine all the photos, you get a stop motion animation, right?
Right. Yes. Yes.
So I want to recreate that kind of thing. Like the last photo should be an overlay over the camera.
Okay. That's interesting.
So how could I do that?
yeah
Have you already tried that?
use, using camera plugin
Anything in Flutter, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good question. Anybody who had already tried this thing or on the way to?
yeah
Devansh?
so doing such stuff I won't recommend camera plugin to do such stuff because it's still in development mode returning that this thing
Sunny has an idea. Yeah. Sunny, give me 1 second. Huh? Somebody wants, is, like, do we have people who want to learn how to set up VS Code? I think there
Yeah.
are some, right? Let's
But I
do
think
one thing
Android Studio
after
is
the talk. Yes,
I
Anshul.
think Android Studio is better for Flutter.
Is
ah
it? What do you think, Devansh? Let you
me
answer.
too me too या ये ऐसा ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया VS कोड तो मेरे को अच्छा ही नहीं लगा पता नहीं एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो की इतनी
VS
सारी
कोड में पूरा सेट करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है
वही ना हाँ so the thing that I was saying that this plugin is still under development and some APIs might not be available yet we are working on a refactor which can be followed here so ये वाला जो issue है let me put this link in the comment section
I hope you guys are having fun. I mean, it's getting fruitful for you guys.
हाँ so ये जो 3.225 वाला जो इशू है ये सारे नए नए एक्साइटिंग फीचर्स के ट्रैक करता है कैमरा प्लगइन so you can have an eye on this thing
Okay,
और
for sure.
बहुत अच्छा प्लगइन है ये बहुत अच्छा इशू है so अभी के लिए इतनी इतनी चीजें हो सकती है डिस्प्ले लाइव कैमरा प्रीव्यू इन अ विजेट snapshots can be captured and saved to a file record a video and access to the image stream from that so इतनी
So
चीजें अभी हो सकती हैं
apart from this, कोई ऐसा roundabout है क्या कि we could place an overlay over the screen, which will have
yeah
an opacity.
Okay, so you want something? Okay, now I don't think so, because yes, you can do something like that for just to preview the user, but it won't be actually overlaid on the image that it is capturing. Okay, of course you can do you can use tags and stuff, but yeah. It won't be captured in image. For that, I guess we'll have to go for native solution.
Sunny can give an idea about it, I guess.
Uh,
Okay. So what I thought was every image will be stored in the in this directory, and it will be numbered, continuously numbered. So if the last image is suppose 3, so the next image that will be saved will be 4. So I figured that out, but how to do the overlay, that is where I'm getting stuck. So,
but Sunny,
okay, for sure.
that will just give us that preview. वो सिर्फ preview को overlay देगा. Image को नहीं देगा जो capture करेगी वो. Image is different, preview is different.
So you can try platform view and platform specific channels.
Could you please repeat?
Platform view. So platform view is something like you are showing a user a platform thing. Like if you are running your Android application, Flutter application on Android, so you will just add that specific screen size, and inside that you will show Android view.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Meanwhile, guys, I wanted to share one more thing. So, a couple of days ago, Sunny and I had this talk about also open source things. So I have my own open source repository where you guys can contribute, and it's Hacktoberfest enabled. Although it's late to reveal it, but it's called Screenify. So what it is basically is that dribble, dribble but with code. तो ड्रिबल के जैसे तुम लोग भी ऐसा डिजाइन अगर अच्छी बनाते हो यूआई में, then you can make such screens and you can classify them among these 5 categories, and then just send me a PR. And moreover it's Hacktoberfest enabled अभी के लिए, यहाँ तक जब तक Hacktoberfest है. और वैसे भी अगर आपको ओपन सोर्स में कंट्रीब्यूट करना हो तो यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि तुम लोग इसमें करो कंट्रीब्यूट. और अगर किसी को कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग में इंटरेस्ट हो, कॉम्पिटिटिव कोडिंग में, तो उसके लिए भी मेरी एक रेफर हो जो भी Hacktoberfest एनेबल्ड है, जो है पाइथन प्लेग्राउंड. तो अभी पाइथन प्लेग्राउंड नाम इसीलिए रखा हुआ है कि इसमें सिर्फ पाइथन का कोड था अभी के लिए, और इसमें कॉम्पिटिटिव क्वेश्चंस नाम का एक फोल्डर है जिसमें आप लोग को लेवल के हिसाब से अच्छे कॉम्पिटिटिव के क्वेश्चंस मिल जाएंगे. ओके, ये वाली रेपो मैं बहुत अपडेट में अपनी साइड से नहीं रख पा रहा हूँ. सो आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू अपडेट दिस रेपो एज मच एज पॉसिबल. बट या इसमें आप लोग अगर कोई ऐसा हो कि जिनको जावा में कॉम्पिटिटिव अच्छी आती है तो क्वेश्चन देख सकते हैं, उसके बाद सॉल्यूशन जावा में देखकर मेरे को पीआर सेंड कर सकते हैं इसमें इसी रेपोजिटरी में. सो या दिस वाज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू रिवील.
I will send some PR.
हाँ जावा, भरत यू कैन डू दिस यार. लेवल 1 के क्वेश्चंस बहुत इजी है. लाइक ऑड इवन तक के क्वेश्चंस है कि नंबर ऑड या इवन ना तक के क्वेश्चंस इजी है. हार्ड में भी अच्छे हैं. लाइक लेवल 3 इज रियली गुड. So, by the way, these are the questions that I have solved. And okay, I'll give you one thing. ये level 3 में And level 3 may, or 1 or 2 maybe there might be some questions कि जो foobar में भी हो. Foobar you guys know, right? Foobar challenge.
Yes, I know.
हाँ, so
No,
foobar वाले भी इसमें है. मेरे को आई थी foobar challenge, so I cleared till level 4. So yeah, so उसमें भी मेरे को जो भी questions अच्छे लगे मैंने इसमें रखे हैं. So try to solve that. और स्क्रीनिफाई तो है, स्क्रीनिफाई सिर्फ फ्लटर डेवलपर्स के लिए अभी तक है, अभी के लिए है. जितने भी फ्लटर, जो भी कुछ भी फ्लटर में बना हो, अच्छी सी यूआई हो, प्लीज कंट्रीब्यूट जितनी हो सके. आई एम प्लानिंग समथिंग लाइक कंट्रीब्यूटर्स हॉल ऑफ फेम वगैरह कुछ मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि इसमें अगर मैं रख सकूँ तो जिसमें जिसने भी कंट्रीब्यूट किया हो उसका नाम, उसकी फोटो और उसकी कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल्स जैसे ड्रिबल में आती है. And they can even vouch for you know like GitHub में कैसे होता है कि अगर आपको डोनेशन देना हो तो दे सकते हो ओपन सोर्स के लिए. So I'm just, it is just a vague idea and it's not completely right, but I'll try to do something like that. अभी के लिए कुछ रिस्पॉन्स तो चाहिए. So I hope you guys will contribute in this repo especially and that one too. So yeah.
Yes,
All right.
देवांश,
Yes, sir.
मेरे
Yes,
पास
sir.
कुछ कॉम्पिटिटिव के क्वेश्चंस है और मैं सॉल्व भी करता हूँ, तो मैं फिर पीआर सेंड करूंगा तो उसके लिए.
Sure.
Wow, great. Do help him and contribute more and more as you can. That would be great. That's what this guy would be. And I mean, basically, we all know that. But whenever we do events, we don't really get anything in physical gains. But yeah, the most amazing thing that we do is learning and experiences. So yeah, more you contribute, more you learn, and that would be the kind of connection that you can build with better people, like-minded people, I would say.
And actually, I have an issue with an app. Like I am integrating TensorFlow and Flutter. So एक्चुअली सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, पर लाइक मेरा एमएल का कोड पूरा सही है, और लाइक मैंने जैसे टीएफ लाइट में प्लगइन यूज करा था तो उसके हिसाब से मैंने सब सेट किया, पर मेरे को वैल्यू नहीं मिल रही, सिर्फ नल ही आ रहा है हेड में. तो किसी को अगर एक्सपीरियंस हो टीएफ लाइट को इंटीग्रेट करने का फ्लटर के साथ तो हेल्प करे तो अच्छा है.
Great. I hope you guys are hearing him.
Yeah.
Otis, you can drop your contact information, maybe the Twitter box or some. I mean, wherever you want people to connect with you, drop that in the comment section. They would be happy to help.
Just I haven't tried TF Lite, but do ping me. I will. I have. I would love to take a look on your code.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Guys,
I can share
connect
my
each other.
I can share my LinkedIn profile. You can direct contact me because
Sure.
I most active on LinkedIn only.
Maybe you guys can do one thing: comment your Twitter handles, or maybe wherever you are active,
I
there would be
comment
a
my
one
Twitter
common
handle.
platform. Great. You guys all can do. All of you can do that. Put that there, and it will get easy to connect with each other. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have. Okay. Do you have anything else, Devansh?
Yeah, बस इतना ही.
बस इतना ही. Okay. Any more questions, people? If we have missed out on any.
I have put both of the links in the chat.
Awesome. Guys, make a note of the GitHub repo you were waiting for. Anything else for us? We have a couple of announcements, then we can quickly wrap this. All set?
Shall I stop presenting now?
You can, yeah, Devansh. Thank you so much for your time and this PPT. It was a hard day. We can feel that. I mean, technical things. More we are in IT, more dependent we are on technology. So that's completely okay.
And it would have been fun if hot reload. I'll need to look into that.
We can feel it. That's fine. Later on, catch up with the experts who can help you with better setup next time maybe, so that you can do
After
even
talk, we will
more
have
amazing talks.
conversation about it.
Yes, guys, do catch your friends thing later on, definitely.
I'll call you Devansh.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay. Guys, you will get a feedback form right after the event. We would request take out your 2 minutes. It's very quick. I mean, we have tried to minimize as questions as we can. Give us your feedback. If any of you, I see some of you are just starting Flutter. I mean, if you want us to have some study jam thing like beginner level thing, we can definitely try that, because we would be very happy to help you out. So yeah, do fill out the feedback form. And if any of you are looking for jobs in Flutter, we do have some companies contacted that we are looking for. Since you guys are running Flutter community, you will have Flutter developers as well, and we are hiring for them. So if any of you are looking for job, do try to. I mean, you can in drop your message in the Flutter Ahmedabad or Flutter Kolkata's Twitter box. Both are available on Twitter, and we'll try to help you out as much as we can. We would be happy to help. That's all from us, I guess.
And do
If
they
you have
provide
any
internships?
feedback, oh, just I'm not really sure about it. I mean, see, we are not a company actually. We're just a
Yeah,
gathering,
yeah, yeah.
right? But yeah, we do have people. So Sunny is also a Flutter developer. Bharat is even being a student just like Devansh, but they both are doing freelancing. I mean, Devansh in his own and Bharat in his own. So maybe you guys may get people to work with, and that would be a great experience, right?
Yeah, actually,
So that
I
you can
am like,
exchange your ideas and code with them, right?
So
actually,
if
I am
anyone is
finding
looking
some.
for,
Okay,
Yes,
you
so
say
Ojas.
I
that.
have a message. If anyone is looking for a job like as a internship or freelancer, you can just DM me. I have one company who is looking for interns and freelancer.
Yes, we have actually couple of them. So it would be internship or jobs or something like that. But we
and,
do have a couple of them. So do try
and
to
me
connect
too.
with us.
Me too.
Oh
Like
yes, even Devansh is hiring guys. He's about to be a millionaire soon.
no,
But
I'm not hiring. I'm just looking for partners with whom I can work on
definitely.
freelance
So that
projects.
is we call hiring
Okay,
because freelancing is the new world of era now.
I am
Yeah,
finding some group or like something like we can do projects together and learn. Like I'm actually finding for Flutter only.
Oh, just
okay.
even
Then
me and even our team tries to do that. So you can join us for some projects. Definitely, that
Yeah,
would be fun.
I am ready to collaborate with you.
Great. Anything else, Devansh? You want to add something?
nothing. Like
Nothing. Do drop your thank yous and feedback to Devansh as well. He would be active on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. He will get active soon on Twitter as well. He has an account already. Yeah, and for any feedback for us to have, like what kind of topics you want the future meetups to be on, you can mention that in the feedback form. I would really request you guys to fill out the feedback form. Okay, I would request this person who has shared the presentation. Yes. Okay. Sorry for this experience. It's just a scam, and we know it. Being Indian, we know it better than anything else. Sorry for this experience, guys. I hope you guys know how that can happen. It's not in our control. But yeah, we thank you for your time. We hope you enjoyed. We hope you had better time with us. We hope you learned something, and we are extremely thankful for this session, Devansh. We hope
thank
to
you.
see you soon in our physical events. Or we wish you more and more flutter, more and more growth in your career and in your learnings as well, so that you can have more and more money and knowledge and a lot of things that can help you to grow better. Similar wish passing to all who are listening to me now. We have one. Give me 1 second. Mm, mm, mm. We have one amazing people joined us. Like he is representing Flutter Vadodara. Ayush. Ayush, do you want to speak up something? I know you have joined a little late because you were busy. That's fine. So Ayush is another fellow, which I am really big fan of because he's also a student and he has recently started working. He's working with one of the great genius in Flutter, Pavan Kumar. You guys would have known about it. And even more than that, he is an amazing Flutter developer. He is great at animations. If you have any questions with driver animation, you can definitely connect with him. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh yes, yes, yes. I how can I miss that? Yes, Ayush, if you want to put some, I mean, tell more people about it.
Hey everyone. Sorry for joining late. I was actually sleeping. I'm currently in bed also. So,
We can feel that. It's Sunday. Go ahead.
okay. So next weekend we have a session. We have a 24-hour online event for how you can contribute to SDK. And during that event, we will be having two sessions. One will be introduction to Git and GitHub, so you know how to work with Git and GitHub and how you can make a pull request and stuff. And after that, Flutter team member will be doing an AMA session, and then Flutter team also has an surprise announcement for the contributors. So yeah, that would be the people who are attending the session will be the first one to know those announcements. So if you are free and if you want to contribute to Flutter, you can definitely join us on Saturday, which will be at 7:30 p.m.
Well,
Thanks, and it was a great session with you all. And yeah, like Bharat has shared the feedback form, so you all can just take out 2 minute time and fill the feedback form. So that would be great for us.
we are good to wrap, I guess. Thank you so much, guys. It was fun. It was really fun. Thank you. Thanks to each one of you for making this 1 hour even more fruitful and fun for us. Thanks, Ayush, for this. Do check out this event, guys. This is going to be very, very amazing. And yeah, Kolkata. Thank you. Thank you for collaborating.
Thanks, Poonam. It was a great pleasure
Thank you. Thank you,
being
guys.
lab
Let's
with
call it a
you.
day. We hope to see you soon in our next meetups and wish you more and more flutter, as I say. Keep learning,